Wait, what trust factor is everyone?
What does that even mean?
Don't act like you haven't played it that long. Bro, this guy Jack is cheating.
I swear to God, what does that mean? Trust factor.
Fuck.
I'm holding palm tree, Carry.
Why is this game? I can't hear anything in this game.
The smokes B.
That one? It's just one, just one.
No, but I'm in their spot.
Oh, lower. One lower.
What the hell?
God, that might.
Other one, upper deck.
Okay, why is he yelling?
He's in tunnel, I think, dude.
We told him inside voice. He yelled lower.
He's not
Could
lower.
be lower B.
Oh, a bit lower B, yeah. What the fuck?
Mo, you were lower.
Bro, I wasn't lower. You said he's not lower. God, good job, Lay. Keep it up. What's your res?
Zoom out on my fucking map, dude. I don't remember how to do anything.
What do you mean zoom out on your map? Oh shit, the radar? I don't know either. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. It's raining, man.
Help me.
I think 240 to 360 is pointless, but I'm gonna do it. You know why? You know why? Because I can. That's why.
We know, dude.
Alright? Yeah.
We know you can.
Humble Brad.
I'm blind. They're going up cat.
Bomb down. Ooh, I dropped bomb. One. Close, under bus. Did him once more. Top mid, Late. Make me proud, Late. Yes! Dude, Late has it, bro. Not like B Thomas. Yeah, lower B. It's raining under Gunda.
Damn, bro.
Carrie, I remember this. Bro! It changes your volume.
they're not low?
Yeah.
No
John
call?
didn't say a word. It's so weird. It's almost like
you.
Like John.
I don't
Why
want
didn't
to
know
play.
they were out.
I don't want to play.
Why? You better stay, bro. We can't lose this 7.
My binds aren't working. I'm on the super fucking res.
Lath is gonna win it for us. Come on, Lath. Don't throw flashes. It's win, Lath.
Oh my god.
Okay.
If I just had my gun out there, we
let's
win
say.
that.
Fucking music.
Bro, Train Rats killed my channel. My YouTube channel. After I played with him, everyone hated my channel.
Holy shit, it's a party over here.
Yeah, we're CSing. I'm having a blast.
One head deep.
Bro, this guy
Deep
Jack
down.
is
Are
bullshit.
they out long?
One's
Bombs
out.
in
One's out. I don't know
deep
how many. One, maybe more.
Hey,
Flashing it.
Oh, one left mid.
One out. He's dead.
Nice.
Oh, another one. Blue bin. He's pushing out right now.
Nice double. Nice double. One more out there. One more. Jack was there. Jack was there.
Last guy blue bin.
he's not blind.
Good job, Lath.
Grab the AK, Mo.
I'll pass. Did this up, Lath?
I have a two
Oh, okay,
up.
good. Give it to Carrie. Good double, Carrie. That's what we needed out of you.
One mid. Out mid, Mo. Out mid.
Bro, man, there are so many. 2 of them are led, but I can't hit it. 2 and A, 3 and A, Carrie. Play sights together, boys. Behind you right now, Pekin. I'm so annoyed, dude. This Jack guy is not legitimate. I don't, bro. Like, no one's coming,
Well, we
and
only have
people
4
die,
now.
and then we got John threatening to leave. Like, John, don't threaten us to
Just
leave.
play it like a chill
It's a
game.
it's a chill game that we're gonna lose. It's not a big deal.
We're
No
not
one cares
gonna-
We're
about
not gonna
matchmaking.
lose.
I'm kind of, dude. I'm telling you this. Jack. All right, someone watch the VOD. Left mid. Get my op if you want out middle.
2 more long.
Holding T-spawn! This guy hasn't rep T-spawn!
Bro, honestly, play super
I'm
passive
gonna
setups
scout.
right now.
I'm
Fuck
scouting.
it.
I'm scouting mid.
Fuck is going on? What the fuck?
No more. All right, John. Go into B and just play B. That's it. Don't go middle. Don't do anything. Don't peek middle. Just smoke middle out. That's what we're gonna do right now. We're smoking middle out. And then just play our spots. Play the sites. You could even give them long. Here, I'm doing. I'm actually.
What do you mean? I've been playing long. It's
No, I'm
fine.
saying we could give them. No, dude, we
Are
just
you-
lost
okay,
long like
I'll
3
smoke- I'll
different
smoke
times.
mid, I'll smoke.
What?
They
One's in
broke
A. One's in
that.
A already. What the
John,
fuck?
he's
up
gonna be
cat.
holding
One's up cat.
T-spawn.
Carrie's moving up.
In T-spawn with an op. You want me to flash for you,
Are
John?
they
He's up
inside?
cat.
Ready,
2
ready.
dots. Yeah, man! Why don't we have? Why do we? I said 2B. Why do we have 3 at A at B?
They're up cat. Yep.
Come play
Everyone's up
cat, Cody. We said we're gonna play 3A.
They smoked it.
We got a fucking A, man. Why are we 3-1-2? Why did we do a 2-1-2 when they've just been doing the same fucking cat or lawn take every round?
Have they been doing
Yeah,
So
because
why
they
did we
just
do a
sit top
2-1-2
mid.
or
They
why
sit
didn't
top
we?
mid and they go cat. That round they
They
rushed
just smoked
cat.
cat and ran out.
Wait, there was 3B last round or 2?
Yeah. Here, you gotta get back to that game helper spot right away and zoom in and just kill these fuckers off cat. If we don't see anything at long, you just stuck around.
The fact that I'm top fragging is a problem. I need your guys' help.
Why you play every day?
No,
Why
I
is it a
don't.
problem?
I have
I'm
10
You haven't
hours
played in
the
6
last 2
months, you
weeks.
Cody,
fucking idiot. Shut the fuck.
I'm gonna dip me into lawn tunnels and no, Cody, no, come back. See,
What?
You're doing the same exact thing. Play A.
All right.
One
Bro,
top
kill
mid.
That's the long
Top mid,
guy.
I flashed him.
Palm tree
Get
right
him,
now.
get him, get him, get him.
Peek him, I'll peek him.
God
Nice
damn
job,
it!
last two in there.
He led me. I'm going back to lawn. Where is he?
Nice job, go.
I don't have a kit. I don't have a
No
kit.
Carry,
So done
Carry,
it?
go,
Yeah,
Carry,
yeah.
go. Oh my god, Carry has the kit and he didn't go. You don't have it.
Do I really not have
Whoa.
You
it?
really don't have it.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'm dead.
No, he has it.
Carrie,
He
is
has
there
it, he has
is
it.
there a
Wait,
reason
does it?
you didn't come? Like, what's
The
going
music
on right
went
now?
like-
Why didn't you run? What's going on? Like,
He
I
did,
don't
and then He ran
understand.
away. He did. He ran towards you, and then you got
Why?
on it, and he ran away.
Oh my god, man. That's.
I'm so annoyed,
Drop
and
me
I
a gun,
did
Carrie. Drop me
fucking.
a gun.
I'm so
You want me to
fucking
play
annoyed
long?
with this. Shut up,
'Cause
Nate.
I'm-
Just shut up. Stop talking. Stop saying the word.
Like you're 5
Shut
and
up,
10.
shut up,
You tell me
shut
to
up.
stop talking. You're dying.
Because I'm playing to the level of you. You and your shitty matchmaking fucking skills. You. This is it.
What do you
It's all you'll ever be.
Flying long.
Top
You
cat.
can
Yeah,
still
okay.
win. Yeah, go watch Cat, Carrie.
Yeah, right.
I got long.
2 on cat dead.
Where'd
One
he
more
go?
unknown.
Let's get
Same
his name.
motherfucker. Oh my
Cat
god.
lit 44 and 2.
Fake flash.
Do
He
we have
gets him
bomb?
every time. He gets him every time.
Yeah, we have bombs somewhere. You guys are charging him?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's just an A site default.
Good job. Keep going, John. Hit his bitch ass. Fuck this guy. Doesn't deserve any of our respect. That was an
Left.
upper.
Should be on.
Good long. Yuri.
This guy's probably lower. Or T
This
spawn.
is
This guy
their
loves
worst
T
player.
spawn.
Alright, shh, shh, shh. This is their worst player by far.
Carrie's got tunnel.
Tell me if you hear anything on my screen.
I'm just telling you what Carrie's watching. Planet A.
Oh my, he got me. He crossed. Peyton, maybe you? Oh no. Come on. You can win this. You have a kit, Carrie. Don't forget. Under you. You got
Right
this.
below you, yeah.
No. Fuck, did it?
We just lost a Yuri.
Dude, the worst
2v1.
player, he was fucking, look at him, 5 kills total. He crossed, like, look how perfect that lawn cross. I kept repeating it, checking it.
I'm just gonna play. Mo, you want me to come along with you?
No.
And then
Yes?
No, I said, or, yes.
Okay.
I don't care. Just,
I'm gonna go cat then.
I can op your cat.
I think bomb was down lower B.
2 mid.
But I'm here opping your cat.
One lower and one
Coming
top
out mid, it sounds like.
One there, one there. Fuck.
Dead. One more. One more. He's hit for 50.
What?
I got hit for 50. One's up cat.
That guy's cheating.
Bro!
Jack is cheating.
Yeah.
100%.
The guy with the bomb going to A is hit for 50.
God damn it!
He's cheating. He's cheating.
Damn, this was a bad idea. I can't believe I thought this. I blame Lath because he got me to do this. Like, I didn't want to play.
God, yeah, blame me.
But
Even
we're
when I
already in
do
it.
good, I'm
What
the
do you mean,
blame.
dude, good? You're not doing
We're
good.
already in
You're
it.
barely
Let's just
winning.
focus up to try and win.
I'm not doing bad.
There's one in lower.
Bro! Come on! Run out! Run out! Why are you not? You just stopped! You stopped right at the fucking thing!
One running a mid. I can't.
I'm in pit.
Come. One's up mid behind you right now, Terry. Palm tree.
Yeah,
Behind you.
Jack's cheating, little fucking idiot.
You saw a bomb in pit.
Maybe I'm just not
go
now,
back,
not now.
yeah.
Don't
You can try
even
picking
start. Okay, close the door. Yeah, I don't care. Lath is pissing me off.
2 site,
Lath,
1 CT,
when we,
1
Lath,
site.
when we go
Let's
out
just go
long,
back to
look
B.
at your body. Look at where your body is. You just
I know,
duck and
I know.
stop.
I should have ran out,
Right,
but
right,
we're
right.
both fighting the same guy.
So run the fuck out! So he just has to aim wide. Instead, he just sits there shooting at the same person. He kills us both because he's right there. Come on, man. God, I hate this game. Don't ever matchmake with me again. No matter how much I ask.
Nice,
Dead.
Mo.
Shut up.
Let's go.
3 cross, by the way. There's probably 2 in B still. Where?
I don't know. He just.
One out long, one out long.
Shot me.
Killed on B.
What the hell is going
Killed
on?
on mid, carry.
Outlawed. Could be a top mid. He's in our spawn. Get him, Carrie. Oh no. You dinked him. No, maybe not.
Can't believe I used to play this game for fun. I must have been bored as fuck.
Look at this. Okay.
Baby, what happened? You don't want to do Mimi? I know. No, I don't want to.
You want to jump on that box?
Okay.
Mama's making you do Mimi's?
She probably woke up
You want to see
while
Babaloo's?
you're yelling.
You want to see Babaloo's? Okay.
Yes, Mom.
Push cat.
Yeah, one cat.
Okay.
Hit 78.
Okay.
He's so
Bro-
lit.
Bro,
Yuri is cheating. I think Yuri is cheating.
No, he's terrible, dude.
Yeah, not anymore.
I think they all fucking cheat together. Straight up. That Yuri guy just didn't have a chance to kill us, and then from the round that he perfectly timed me at lawn.
It's just CS, man.
Why am I so bad at everything?
CT left.
I suck!
Last guy CT.
1-on-1. Make me proud. Now! Oh
Yes.
my god.
Yes.
What are you doing?
I thought he had it. I was ready to celebrate. I was like, he did it. He made
Why are you telling me now? Why?
Because
Why
it was
now?
the right play! You just didn't go in time. You didn't do it right. You hesitated.
You did delay when he said no.
Now is while he's moving, while he's jumping up and down, you just pop up on his ass. Pop a cap in his ass.
This guy's 36-9.
Bro,
No,
he's cheating. I don't care what anyone
uninstall this
says.
game after
Jack
this,
thinks he's sick, bro. Watch this. I'm reporting him. I'm pre-reporting him right now for cheating. Okay, then I'm gonna prove to you he was cheating afterwards. That's what again. Running into I'm gonna make a series of running into cheaters. My shit didn't even.
He's
Oh,
Bro, it didn't even come out. I just freaking shot it. It's so stupid. My flash didn't even come out. It just stopped. This game is broken.
Alright.
one guy log on dead as hell.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Push that mid to.
Come on, just end it. End it quick, Cody. Make
Yeah,
me
just
end it
end
in a
it.
nice way. Thank you.
Here, I'll help.
Abandon before we lose. Abandon before we lose. Yes, thank God.
Nice. What a way to go out, huh? You guys are pieces of shit. Get me to play that game and then rage all fucking game.
I wanted, listen. From the beginning of it, with Carrie's stupid mic, everything was fucked. So next time, let's have a better mic going into this. You guys want to play again?
There's never a next time for me. I swear
Don't
on my
say that.
life, I'm never playing Counter-Strike fucking Go again.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Never again. Never
Don't say
load this
that.
game up ever
Don't say
again.
that.
Never.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Never. It's 2020.